Ever wondered how birds make those epic long journeys? Birds migrate to find food, breed, and escape harsh weather. They use the sun, stars, and Earth's magnetic field to navigate. Some birds travel thousands of miles each year. Amazing, right? They form flocks for safety and to share information. Weather changes can affect their migration patterns significantly. Some species migrate alone, while others stick together. They rely on instinct but also learn from experience. Migration is a risky journey, with many dangers along the way. But their determination keeps them going no matter what. So, next time you see birds flying, think of their journey. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to subscribe for more.